So I've been using the Infinite Painter app for a couple of years now, and there are some tips and tricks that I always use to give my illustrations more professional and finished look. So I've gathered some of those tips that will take your art game to the next level. So let's jump right in. First up, we got the focus blur. Want to add that extra touch of depth to your artwork? This hidden feature is tucked away in the blur filter, and trust me, it's a game changer. Like the Gaussian blur, it only works on the single layer, so you have to merge all the layers of your artwork to apply it. So let's go to the filters. Make sure you have selected the right layer. Now choose the blur filter. So we know that it's a simple Gaussian blur like in Procreate. Now tap here to reveal more options, and here you can see the focus blur along with some more effects. So tap on focus. Here you will see a circle representing the area of focus. Everything out of this circle will be out of focus. You can move it using this small circle and make it bigger using the outer circle. So let me know in the comments if this is useful to you. Ever wanted to clear a layer quickly without undoing everything? Just long press the undo button and that's it, layer cleared. And you are ready to start fresh. Are wobbly lines getting you down? Fear not. Use the smoothness brush settings to draw smoother, more refined lines, and your strokes will never look better. Go to the brush settings and under the stroke tab, increase the smooth slider. Now, line looks more professional and finished. Do you find it harder to draw with your imagination? Then let me help you. Infinite Painter lets you add any image as a reference. I'll show you the reference image I use for this artwork. First tap on the 3-dot icon, then select import. Then choose the location where your image is. After you select your image, then tap on reference. And remember, there is nothing wrong in using the reference images. Clipping mask, a must-know technique for artists. Use it to draw seamlessly over a specific layer. Your artwork will thank you for it. Let's say I want to add some rocks in front of this house. I've already drawn the basic shape of the rock and now I need to add the rock texture to it. So I'll add a new layer above it and make it a clipping mask. Clipping masks have this small arrow with them. And now the texture will only visible over this shape. That's because the base layer only contains this shape. So you should use the clipping mask more in your artwork. Layer selection also let you draw only within the existing shapes. Basically in this we can select the shape of the layer and then we can draw only within the existing shape or only outside the shape. Tap on this red dot to turn off the selection. Create stunning background with the gradient tool. Infinite Painter has got your back when it comes to those smooth color transitions. Select the gradient tool. Then drag on the screen to give it a direction. Now tap on the ends of the gradient tool to select the colors. And that's it. Stay organized and keep your layers in check with folders. Trust me, it will be a game changer for your digital art workflow if you deal with huge number of layers. So you don't have a stylus that supports pressure sensitivity? No worries, you can simulate it using this trick for hack. Go to the brush setting and under the stroke tab, go to the dynamics section. Here we don't need this pressure or tilt curve, but we can edit the velocity curve here. By velocity we mean the speed with which we draw the stroke. So this is a size to velocity curve. It shows that when we draw slowly the brush has the maximum size, so we need to invert it. Now the brush size will be maximum when we draw faster. Let's try it now. Okay, it's working, but we have these thick strokes in the beginning. So let's fix it. Now go all the way to the bottom and select the size profile and edit it like this. Now it will work perfectly. Do you know, you can create the brush with any filter like blur filter baked right into the brush. They are like magic at your fingertips. To show you, let's add the blur filter to the soft air brush. First I'll make the duplicate of the soft air brush. Now go into the settings and in the specials tab, we have the option to add filter to the brush. We will create a brush that gives the blur effect to the layer we are drawing on. So select the blur filter from the layers section and you can adjust the filter strength from here or from here also. You can add this effect to any brush. My secret sauce, custom texture brushes. They will help you create insanely realistic artworks. So if you still haven't got them, then you are missing out on the opportunity to add that spice of realism to your artwork. You can find the link to the brushes in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you have it, a bunch of tips and tricks to elevate your Infinite Painter game. I hope you find these useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content related to digital art. Also be sure to check out the description for links to all the resources mentioned in this video, and also click on the join button to support the channel. See you guys in the next video.